Here we are at the canal basin again, and I'm all wired up for sound and got my other camera with me, and the tide's sort of coming in, and I'm hoping you're picking up everything I'm saying because I'm carrying a selfie stick at the same time. How cool is that? You'll get some views of the basin, but I'll be shooting it mainly on the other camera. I'm just going to back up to these signs so you can see what they say. There's one there. Hope you can read it. You can always stop the video to read it. And here's a species thing. There you are. And if you look in the background of the shot, you should actually see the Montrose steeple in the distance. Rumoured to be the highest steeple on any church in Scotland. So there you go. And there's a sign up there. It says Montrose Angling Club. Private water permits only. And across that side is the marshes where the wildfowlers go shooting things that fly. I've done it myself, so I'm not being critical here. Right, let's see if we can lift that over there. I'll go through the gate. There you go. Now I've got a wee platform here to stand on, and you can get a view of what I'm shooting. Now if the stick's wobbling about a bit, I do apologise, but I'm a bloke. I can't do two things at once, and I'm stopping doing everything because my camera's come up and said no memory card inside, which means that I've got to stop and have a look-see. So you'll have to excuse me while I do that. We'll put this down over there and unplug the sound. Some of the more astute of you and people who are skilled at watching their television shows will recognise the subject matter there as being from that show Strictly. Stop dancing. Oh, guys, dancing. Oh, don't do any more, please. He got thrown off the show before it even got started. And he's pointing at the camera, and what he's saying is, the camera lied. There is a 64 gigabyte memory card in there, and it said there was no memory card. Huh. Well, here we are back again. The camera lied. It said it didn't have a memory stick card, and it did. 64 gigabyte. You think the camera would remember, wouldn't you? It's more than I can do. Anyway, you can see the sort of view I'm getting. In fact, I could take it out a selfie if I could see how, and I can't, so try that one. Right, there you go. We're shooting from the front now. So you're seeing what the video camera is going to see in a minute. And over there's the marshes. And behind me is the gate and the signs. And if you're feeling dizzy, just think how I feel. There you go.